I get asked all the time how I come up with so many ideas to post consistently on all my social media accounts. And the answer is you have to plan ahead. You have to be organized. There's no real way around that. So I use this content planner where I can jot down my different ideas. And when I decide that I'm ready to execute the idea, I'll bring it over to my live content planner so I can execute the steps. And then I'll be able to see them exactly on my calendar. Let me show you what I mean. So I have this idea bank, and here I'll list every single idea that I have at the time that I have them, so that way I don't forget about it later on. Whenever I'm ready to execute that idea, I'll simply mark it as pending, and it will move from my idea tab to my content planner. And right here I can see exactly what I have on queue. I can assign this to whatever date I want it to be. So for example, if I want to post this on the 16th, I can. And I'll just simply drag this up to be in chronological order. And now on my content calendar, I can see that this is listed for the 16th. As I go through the process of creation, I'll simply mark the status as the current status. And then you'll see on the content calendar that it will update based off of what status it's in. And once I post the content, I'll simply mark it as published/accepted. And it will move from my active list to the bottom of the past content tab. And in my content calendar, it will be grayed out. So that's how my content planner works. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment for more.